Hey, can I ask how much you pay for rent in New York City?
Rent? I don't pay rent. I work here. My office is just down the hall.
Can I see it?
Yeah, come take a look.
Whoa.
Yeah, come check it out. It's pretty cool, right?
You got lots of art and stuff in here. Are you a big Up fan?
Lots of art. Love the movie. Love little figurines. Cool stuff to look at. I like a flag from where I'm traveling from.
So what do you do here?
I'm a professor of political science.
So can you tell me a little bit about this art you have?
Yeah, I love funky, interesting art. We've got presidents riding on dinosaurs. It's really cool. That's the political science.
Sweet. And I noticed you're an alum.
I'm an alum. Got all my degrees there. Proud Phoenix.
Let's see what's in your fridge.
Yeah, for sure.
Very organized. I like the Pellegrino bougie edition in there.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome, right? You need the caffeine to keep me going throughout the day, and anyone's welcome to a cup when it's not mine. Hey, you want a donut to go with your coffee?
Oh yeah, where are they from?
From local Mike's, one of the best bakers around.
Where are these chairs from?
Those are 1930s courthouse chairs. I thought they were really cool. Found them at an antique shop, and great place for students to come sit, meet with me during office hours. Pro tip, definitely meet with your faculty members during office hours. It's a good chance to get to know them, share some of your interests, and expand your network.